so bored. Okay, so if you can't... Oh, jeez. It's very bright. Okay, so if you haven't noticed, I'm pretty bored at the moment. And I'm not going to beat around the bush, guys. It is very bright out here today. I've got a cold. Not much has happened lately. And I'm incredibly bored in the garage at the moment. So, usually we have a bit of a chat, say what's going on, and then I'd get into asking you guys any questions. But I wanted to bring it up today that if you've got any questions or anything about how to find something on the car or how to do something, just let me know in the comments below straight away. Because at the moment I have lost all creativity. It feels like we got rid of all our issues, all the cars, everything else is running smoothly. We've had 0 issues at the moment, and everything else that I need to do or want to do at the moment is more of a long-term thing, or there's logistics issues, or there's just where it's going to take a lot of time, and I just haven't got that up my sleeve at the moment. So that is the first part of the video, and mostly the main part of the video is that I'm incredibly bored at the moment. Nothing's going wrong. Might do some tool reviews in the next few weeks that I've bought over the holidays, but at the moment it's pretty much just the beginning of February, and not much has been going on this year already. So I know you guys are pretty patient with waiting for me to release a video, but in this case there is nothing to release at this point in time. We've just been painting, as you would have seen. There's all things in there, painting for our new house, which is exciting, but really that's sort of taken over most of our time at the moment. So doing all that, and yeah, not much car wise is going on. So we're doing a little trip this weekend. Going to be going down the beach, which is going to be great. Can't wait for that. Don't know if I'll film anything down there, but we'll see how we go. Working on some other bits and pieces, but everything's like in the works. Everything's in the works that I've got going on. So there's some stuff, like you would have seen the wheels in there. They have taken me months to do. It's just getting the motivation to finish them all. I could have that done in a weekend easy, or even in like pretty much a day, but it's just taking the time and doing it right and just working out stuff. So that is pretty much all that's been going on. But yeah, leave your questions if you've got any comments. Like I've had over time, like a lot of good videos have come out of it as well. So don't think that if you write a comment down there and if it's a good idea that I won't pick up on it, because I've picked up a lot of good ideas from you guys. So thank you all so much for that. But yeah, at the moment just a bit stuck in terms of working out videos. It's just getting the motivation to do them at this point in time. And not much has been going on, not much needs to be repaired. So yeah, that's pretty much it. But yeah, if you've got anything at all, like the video that comes to mind that didn't seem that big at the time, but it's become a bit of a big video on the channel, is where the steering pump in a Vectra is. I mean, that was a pretty straight up video, and it turns out a lot of people didn't know either, and that was just, I just couldn't find anything online about it, so I thought I'd make something. So yeah, that's in the end, that's all to say really. So enjoy your week. Hopefully we'll have a video up next week, not too sure, not going to promise anything at this point, but hopefully we'll get back into a regular schedule in the next few months. But thank you all so much for watching. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram, Panda Garage. I'm going to try and post more there more often. It's just, yeah, sometimes it's on the back of my mind. So yeah, thank you all for joining me, as I am the chairman of the board at this point. And that's it. Yeah, so see you all next time. Hopefully I'm a bit more enthused, or not so much bored, or just anything going on. Anything at all. That's all I really want. I just don't want to be bored.